हेलो गाइस, व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू इसलिए ट्रैवल। और मैं और हरमन आज जा रहे हैं न्यू ब्लॉग शूट करने के लिए, जो गाइस बहुत ही अमेजिंग ब्लॉग होने वाला है ये। आप जरूर देखिए एंड तक इस ब्लॉग को। हमें एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग जगह मिली है बर्लिन में, सोचा आप लोगों से शेयर करनी चाहिए, इसलिए आज हम ये शूट करने जा रहे हैं। सो गाइस स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड, सी यू। तो गाइस जैसे कि आपको बताया था कि आज का ब्लॉग बहुत ही अमेजिंग होने वाला है। आप लोगों को आज हम दिखाएंगे द चीपेस्ट फूड, इंडियन फूड इन बर्लिन, क्योंकि हरमन को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है इंडियन फूड खाने का और इसकी डिमांड पे
मुझे
वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं शूट करने।
हम इसका ना शूट करने का 2 हफ्ते से सोच रहे हैं, लेकिन टाइम ही नहीं लग रहा था गाइस, बिकॉज
बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी चल रहा है
जॉब्स की वजह से। बहुत मतलब अभी जो स्केड्यूल है हेक्टिक चल रहा है अपना, लेकिन आज हमने जैसे तैसे टाइम निकाला है और हम आपको दिखाएंगे। सो गाइस हम अभी ऊबान से वहाँ पे जाएंगे।
इसको बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेविंग होती है इंडियन फूड खाने की, बहुत ज़्यादा। तो रोज़ रोज़ इतना एक्सपेंस तो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे रह के, तो इसलिए हमने चीपेस्ट फूड ढूंढ लिया आज बर्लिन में, जो आपको दिखाने जाएंगे आज हम। और जो अमेजिंग बात है, आपको दुकान पे जाके हम सरप्राइज दिखाएंगे वहाँ पे क्या सरप्राइज है। सो गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड। तो गाइस हम पहुंच चुके हैं शॉप पे, जहाँ पे हम अभी इंडियन फूड ट्राई करेंगे जाके, जो बहुत ही चीपेस्ट है।
एक्चुअली गाइस मैं बताता हूँ, हमारे पास कैश नहीं था, वहाँ पे सिर्फ चलता है कैश। आप भी ये चीज़ याद रखिएगा। एंड बिकॉज ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे बर्लिन में लोग कैश नहीं रखते अपने पास, बिकॉज सब कार्ड के थ्रू पेमेंट करते हैं और वहाँ पे सिर्फ चलता है कैश।
तो कैश रखना नहीं भूलना आपने जब अब यहाँ पे आएंगे शॉप पे। जो इसकी भूख और ज़्यादा बढ़ चुकी है क्योंकि हम दुकान पे पहुँच चुके हैं। तो गाइस मिलते हैं आपको सीधे शॉप पे। So guys, we have reached to this shop which we were talking about so far. So it's near to Leopoldplatz U1 station, just 100 meters away. The shop name is DJ Punjab. So this guy make Indian food here. So this was the surprise I was talking about. He's making food here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, what you make here for Indian people or German people?
I make original Indian food for Indian people, and I make copy of the Indian food for German people.
Oh, so guys, German people don't like so much spicy food, so he has Indian spices here and German spices also. So you must try Indian spices here if you are Indian, and German people must try German spice here because they don't like so much spicy, right?
Yeah.
So how do you come to know to open this shop?
Well, I worked before in an Indian restaurant, and before I worked there, I had experience. I studied Asian dishes.
Okay.
And I specialized in Indian food because I served in the military, and I was in the Indian-Pakistani border for 7 months.
So guys, he was motivated from the military, so he made food for Indian and Pakistan.
Yeah.
So he was motivated from there. So what offers you have for Indian people and for German people here? Like,
well, I have, like, for example, I have biryani for Indian people. I have the chicken biryani.
Hyderabadi chicken biryani.
Yeah.
So Hyderabadi chicken biryani here.
And I have the vegetable biryani, which is not Indian. It's a copy of the original chicken biryani for the German people.
So this guy is so funny and so amazing. He makes really good food here. We have tried and we'll show you over here. So what you will offer to us today? What we can have? What is the best what is the best you have for us?
Today I'm going to make something special. I have 40 dishes on the menu, and because of the space I have, I cannot put more. But in my mind I have 100 menu. So from the 100 dishes that I have in my mind, I'm going to make you one vegetable piece that has chicken inside, which you're not vegetarian, I know.
Yeah.
And that has pani inside, the ram keza as they call it in German. And also it has paprika, onion, and the vegetables like aubergine in Germany or bengan in India.
So
So guys, now we will try. He will make a very special dish for us. So we'll try and we'll let you know the review of the food. So guys, see you. So do you offer delivery food? Do you offer delivery?
Yeah, actually I do delivery, but from when I have to deliver, I take the order from 8:30 maximum.
Okay.
And I deliver after 9.
Okay.
So between the window of 9 to 10, I do the delivery.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, he offer delivery too, but after 9 you can order food. You can order and call here. They can deliver a food over here, and he'd also do a tiffin services, but all after 9, right?
Yeah.
After 9,
Yeah.
you can have a food at your home in a very cheap price with the Indian spices.
Yeah.
So guys, he's starting making food for us. So we'll show you he's making, and make sure you make Indian food or Indian spices, okay?
Yeah.
Use Indian spices here.
Yeah.
No German spices.
So this one is sabji koma. This is
Yeah.
in German food.
German food.
Yeah.
So okay, no problem. We'll have German food today, but with Indian spices.
Yeah. So now let's do that's bengan.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna fry it a little bit. And then
It's bangan, brinjals.
that's chicken already cooked with
He's
coriander.
making chicken for us too. Yeah.
Yeah, that's already cooked with coriander and coriander, haldi, garlic, ginger, and more.
And more. Surprises.
Yeah. And then we have the curry sauce.
Yeah, we have curry sauce here.
Half ready, not complete. Then we have the soup on the other side. Hi. Walaikum salam. Ein Waffel und eine Crepe.
So this guy is really busy here. He makes alone. So you work alone here, yeah?
Yeah, I do that alone for the moment.
So you don't need any student here for work, yeah?
Actually, I have. But
Yeah.
Because now it's a slow season.
Yeah.
He comes and help only in the kitchen.
Yeah,
We
because
have a big kitchen.
Yeah.
Because in the summer it's getting busy and I cannot handle that alone.
oh yeah, it's summertime in Berlin is really busy and occupied.
Yeah.
But this time we are facing some corona. So like corona second phase.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So
less people. And 11 o'clock Berlin transports are closed.
yeah, transport
so-
are closed. Everything is dead.
Yeah, people used to stay at home at this time.
Yeah.
The government has restricted some things, you know?
Yeah. So that one is finished.
That one is finished.
So we're gonna put it now here. And then we're gonna put the
Onions.
onion. Huh? The crepe? Beide zusammen. And I close and I turn upside down and I put more time.
Yeah.
So it's gonna take 5 minutes and then I come back this side. I go back to the kitchen cooking. So I'm gonna put some. That is paprika,
That's paprika, German paprika, Shimla mirch.
Shimla mirch. Call it mirchi.
Yeah.
Then I put the Indian butter, which we all know.
Oh, it's ghee.
Ghee.
It's ghee. He's using ghee for us.
So the ghee we use it to fry the.
Yeah.
We use the ghee to fry the thing.
So guys,
guys, it was amazing food. I highly recommend to everyone, please come and visit once to this shop. And thank you for watching today's vlog. See you in next vlog.
Next vlog, guys.